Today I'm making a batch of homemade onion syrup. When I first started making this, I kept it really simple, just onions and sugar. But now I've graduated to using onions, garlic, and raw unpasteurized local honey. Here's what you'll need. Onions. They're rich in vitamin C and sulfur compounds that support the immune system and help calm coughs. Garlic, a natural antimicrobial and antiviral, great for fighting off colds and flu. Raw honey, soothing for sore throats, full of enzymes and beneficial properties that pasteurized honey just doesn't have. Sometimes I'll add extras. Last time I put cinnamon. It was absolutely delicious and warming. I just didn't realize I had run out this time. You can also add things like ginger for inflammation, lemon for vitamin C, or thyme for respiratory support. So why does this syrup actually work? When you slice onions and garlic, they release natural compounds that act as expectorants. They help loosen mucus and open airways. Honey then draws out those juices and combines with them, creating a soothing antimicrobial syrup that both coats the throat and supports your body's ability to fight infection. Together, it's a simple but powerful combination that people have been using for generations. To make it, just layer thin slices of onion and garlic in a clean jar. Then pour your raw honey over top until everything is coated. Cover it loosely and let it sit on the counter for 12 to 24 hours until the juices are drawn out and mixed with the honey. Then it's ready to use. I keep it in the fridge and take a spoonful as needed for coughs, sore throats, or just a little immune boost. And that's it. A simple, time-tested remedy made with just a few ingredients from the kitchen. If you try this recipe, let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.